The investigation into college sports online gambling in Iowa just continues to unfold.
Today, WHO 13's Roger Riley spoke with a law professor who specializes in online content and restrictions. Joins us live outside Hilton Coliseum, where obviously we can see students are getting ready for that big game against Kansas tomorrow, Roger.
Yeah, that's going to happen tomorrow. Now, today, though, I spoke with Derek Benbauer. He's a distinguished professor at the University of Florida. He studies things like law, technology, and access to the content on the internet. And, of course, gambling, that's a really important issue for the apps, being able to tell where somebody is located. Now, Benbauer has been following this case closely.
The data that they got is actually through the GeoComply software. And what I can't tell, because I think it just hasn't come out yet, is there's at least two ways that the investigator could have gotten the GeoComply data. One is if they had the ability to run the software. That's certainly possible that GeoComply would allow law enforcement to do that. It seems harder because you actually have to learn how to make it work. And so it's not the sort of thing that is just like, flipping a switch.
Now, Benbauer told me that one high-profile case using these geofencing is the January 6th protest. He said there's a new development out there reported by Forbes that Google will be getting out of storing mass location data. That means law enforcement won't have as many options to sort through the masses to help solve cases, but on the upside, that will protect innocent bystanders from being drawn into an investigation.
Is that they undoubtedly could direct a request or a subpoena to GeoComply itself if it's storing this data. They could probably also direct it to DraftKings. And so, GeoComply is the software that basically says, okay, here's someone who wants to engage in online gambling. Let's figure out where they are. And it can do it, as you noted, much more precisely than just with cell site tracking, right?
Now, outside the Hilton Coliseum here, most of these students are not able to gamble legally, but they say they do like the odds for Iowa State over Kansas. I did ask them about this investigation. The students said, you know what, student athletes need to be held to a higher standard, but if there was something not right about how this information was gathered, that they should be given a break. That's kind of the general consensus I got talking to kids out here today.
Yeah, and that's what we continue to follow here, Roger, is just the investigation and how they did get to being able to charge all of these individuals. And it's something we'll continue to charge and ask questions about. Roger Riley outside of Hilton Coliseum tonight. Names, thank you.